Now, there was a political storm in Delhi Darbar as well, talking about the same when we speak of the parliament, the temple of our democracy that has been caught in the eye of the storm. After Bharat gave its mandate, there is fierce face-off over who's muzzling the mandate. Gandhi, that is Rahul Gandhi, led a pitched battle against the Modi Sarkar, alleging that his microphone and a microphone of rather the leader of opposition in both the houses, that's the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, had been muted by the speaker. Now, this is a huge charge in a democracy, but is this substantiated? The Lok Sabha speaker, Om Birla himself, pointed out that he has no mute button on him, but the attacks of the opposition really were unrelenting. They say that under the alleged dictatorship of Prime Minister Modi, not just the opposition, but the democracy itself is being muzzled. Now, this face-off was day after the president addressed both houses. Today, the INDIA bloc moved adjournment motion seeking a discussion in the House of the Parliament, and nothing was wrong in that, but what end of the day really the effect, or the rather overall effect it has, is the question. Do we not need a debate and discussion when we speak of the future of NEET aspirants? Unfortunately, all we got was utter pandemonium, chaos, disruption and blame game. What's the exact moment when the newly appointed Lok Sabha LOP, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge in the Rajya Sabha, claimed that their mics were muted by the Modi government?
माइक में बंद नहीं करता हूं, पूर्व में भी आपको व्यवस्था दी थी, यहां कोई बटन नहीं होता।
सर माइक तो दे दीजिए कि आज स्टूडेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए हम नीट पर डिस्कशन करें।
ठीक है, आप
डेडिकेटेड डिस्कशन। अब बात यह है कि दो फोर्सेस हैं, एक तरफ
नहीं माने, ओके।
आज स्टूडेंट्स बहुत परेशान है। नीट का एग्जामिनेशन बार बार 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक होता है।
आई डू नॉट,
तो क्या है 7 साल में 70?
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग, नो लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू कन्फाइन टू द इशू। नो सॉरी प्लीज सर बैठिए प्लीज take your seat. Take your seat. Nothing will go on record. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
And was this a democratic way of debate and discussions by the opposition? Ironically, today, Sonia Gandhi has now written a letter, or rather an opinion piece in a news daily, where she says, and I quote, Prime Minister preaches consensus but values confrontation. Prime Minister hasn't come to terms with the electoral outcome. INDIA doesn't seek confrontation. And then she goes on to say, rather, that the leader of opposition, who's Rahul Gandhi, has in fact offered cooperation. So did the Congress practice what it preaches? When we speak of the consensus, not confrontation approach, watch this fierce words.
Yesterday, in the opposition meeting, I personally raised this issue and I said, look, to send a message to the students that we care for them, we believe in them, they are the future, we need to spend one day discussing NEET. And there was a unanimous agreement among all opposition parties. I tried to raise it in Parliament. Of course, as you saw, I wasn't allowed to speak.
भाई आप बोलिए ना, जब चर्चा की शुरुआत होगी आप बोलते, और आप उसमें नीट के विषय को भी प्रमुखता से उठाते। ये स्वतंत्रता चेयर ने आपको दिया, आज ऑनरेबल स्पीकर ने भी इस बात को बोला, और हम सब जानते हैं कि राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण पर आए धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव में आप हर विषय को आप उठा सकते हैं, हर विषय की आप चर्चा कर सकते हैं।
अरे माइक बंद कर दिया गया जब कैमरा दिखाई देता है, सिर्फ स्पीकर और जो नेता, जो हमारे सरकार के प्रति जो नुमाइंदे हैं, जो प्रधानमंत्री हैं, मंत्री हैं, उन्हीं पर कैमरा होता है। कैसे चलाएंगे ये सब? ये स्वतंत्र तो चलते हैं उन्हीं के इशारे से। जो सरकार चाहती है वही तो होता है ना।
आज तो जब मैं लोकसभा में था, जब प्रतिपक्ष उस विषय पे अपने बातों पे रहे, स्पीकर महोदय ने कहा कि तब आप चर्चा नहीं चाहते हो, हम तो आपको चर्चा करने के लिए अवसर दे रहे हैं, सरकार अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए प्रस्तुत है। जब आप चर्चा से भागते हो, सरकार अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए प्रस्तुत है, तो कंफ्यूजन किस बात की है?
All right, and Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast, and then we'll also talk about really what the Congress has had to say, because before I come to you, Sabyasachi, let's tell our viewers what the Congress's real grouse really is. Now, Jairam Ramesh has complained that during the 51-minute President's address, the Prime Minister was shown 72 times and Rahul Gandhi was shown only 6 times, but is not being shown on the television. According to, again, Jairam Ramesh, is a muzzling of democracy. Now, here is a Newshour fact check. In 2021, in the Maharashtra Assembly, under the Mahavikas Aghadi, 12 BJP MLAs were suspended for 1 year, and abusing and misbehaving with the chair was the allegation back then. Later, the Supreme Court scrapped it as unconstitutional and illegal. In February 2024, in the Bengal Assembly, the LOP Suvendu Adhikari and 5 BJP MLAs were suspended for demanding a statement by the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Sandesh Khali. In February 2024, in the Delhi Assembly, 7 BJP MLAs were suspended by the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar. In June 2024, in the Tamil Nadu Assembly, the LOP and over 60 opposition MLAs were suspended for demanding a CBI probe into the Hooch tragedy. Is this politics of consensus, not confrontation, viewers? All right, and at that point, Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast. Sabya, if I could come to you, we gave various instances to our viewers as to when really the opposition ended up disrupting the House. Obviously, at the moment, it is allegations and a counter coming from the side of the centre. Take us through this entire controversy and what the centre has had to say over this mic muting, opposition's voice being stifled charge by the opposition.
Well, absolutely. All the fiasco started when the opposition party started sending adjournment motion and wanted an immediate discussion on the NEET controversy. Now, from the government side as well as from the speaker's side, it was very well clarified to the member of parliament that every issue of the opposition MPs would be taken up during the discussion of President address, and this has been sent out in the bulletin as well. Despite that, we are seeing that the opposition leaders wanted a discussion on the NEET controversy right away, but the centre said that they are ready for any sort of discussion, but it should take place maintaining the decorum of the House. After that, the opposition parties, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and other opposition MPs, they leveled charges against the government that they are switching off their mic whenever they are trying to speak on the NEET controversy, and the same was conveyed to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla by Jairam Ramesh, to which Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla said that he does not have the control of the mic with him. So clearly at this particular time, on one hand, the centre has been saying that they are ready to have any sort of discussion, whether it is the NEET, whether it is the inflation, any sort of discussion the government is ready to have, but with maintaining the decorum of the House, and also during the discussion on President's address. But the opposition parties wanted that the discussion should take place right away, and that is what led to the ruckus that we are seeing both in Rajya Sabha as well as in the Lok Sabha. Despite the fact when the Congress MPs were putting allegation that the BJP leaders as well as the speaker were switching off the mic of the opposition leaders whenever they are trying to speak anything important, to which the speaker clearly said that he does not have the control of the mic. Neither what they are saying is not going on record, because this discussion is taking place on President's address, and later which the discussion can take place on all the issues that the opposition wants to have a discussion inside the parliament. We are seeing a fiery session inside the Lok Sabha as well as in the Rajya Sabha, when the Lok Sabha resumed after 12 p.m. despite several warnings from the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Till then also the opposition leaders continued to protest. They wanted a discussion on the NEET controversy. Similarly on Rajya Sabha as well, we are seeing that Rajya Sabha Chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar time and again issuing warning to the Member of Parliament for their conduct. But the opposition MPs have been raising slogans of Mantri Hatao, Mantri Bhagao. These sort of slogans were being raised by the opposition Member of Parliament inside the House. So clearly this blame of the Member of Parliament saying that the central government is switching off their mic is not something new, which we have seen in the 17th Parliament as well. And now as well, this is is continuing because they are blaming the central government that whenever they are trying to speak on any important issue, whether it is a leader of opposition of Lok Sabha or the leader of opposition from the Rajya Sabha, both their mics are being switched off.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.